another episode of my channel of Fun World of Jeff. And today I'm gonna make dishwashing tablets. This will help you save money. First we're gonna need is bicarbonate soda, 1 cup, and then we're gonna need 60 ml of lemon juice, and then we're gonna need 50 drops of essential oil, ice container, and we're gonna need a bowl to mix it with, and then we're gonna need some liquid soap, and most importantly, a jar to put the tablets in the jar. Let's start. Let's just start already. Let's put the 1 cup of soda into the bowl. Then we're adding the lemon. Watch out guys, it's gonna fizz. Let's pour the lemon juice in. You see it's fizzing. Make sure it's nice and moist. Let's mix it up. Mix it well, guys. $15 drops of essential oil. I've got the lemon flavor and it smells so good. Let's pour the 15 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oops, I was meant to pour 15. Let's start stirring. Doesn't it look like mash to you? You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of liquid soap. You should use these big spoons. Let's pour it. Oh, it's not open. Let's pour it. Why is it going so slow? And now let's add the second one. Doesn't the liquid soap look like gel to you? Whoa. And now let's mix it up. It looks like green mash. It looks so cool. Doesn't it, kids? Looks like you add food coloring into the mash. Once you're done mixing, it must look like this. Guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because this is a really cool video. Let's go on to the next step. Now we're going to take the mixture and pour it into the ice container. As you can see, I dropped the ice container, but that's okay. Let's pour the mixture into the ice container. Let's fill up these holes. Let's spread it because there's too much there. Now let's go for the shape and screw. Put it in. That one needs some. And now we just spread it so some can go on the others. You guys can use your hands if you want to. I'm going to use my hands. And it feels like sand. Let's put it in that one. I think it needs more. Now let's just spread it over. It's button. And remember, when you're done using your hands, you have to wash your hands. Now let's go into that one. Once you're done putting them all up, they must look like this. Doesn't it look like green ice cubes to you? And then after that, you're gonna slip it aside. Wait a minute, did I say slip aside? I meant put it aside or set it aside and wait for it to dry, and then you put it in the jar, and then voila, you got your own dishwasher tablets. I'll show you what it looks like. Guys, these are the other two I made. And voila, that was very easy. And let's see what they look like. Doesn't it look cool? And let's check out the other one. The other one's also the same. Remember, I hope you like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed it. And bye. You see that red button there? Give it a big thumbs up. Bye. Hope you enjoyed it.